emerald green and sap green to the color mix for the first layer. Then using brilliant yellow green for the second layer, same to the opposite corner. I am using gel medium instead of water, but you can use water. If excess of water, you can remove with cloth and tissue paper. Avoid to use wet your brush with plenty of water. Next is sky effect. I am picking some cobalt blue and titanium white for the sky effect. Last using makeup brush, blend the colors together. Let it dry couple of minutes. The second step is I am going to make lupine flowers along with leaves. I am using round brush size 6 for making push-up leaves to look like gardening effect. Third step, making lupine flowers. I am going to make stem using linear brush, picking some little bit of burnt sienna to make it. I am using titanium white to right side of the stem to the realistic look. Next, for making flowers, needing colors are permanent rose, scarlet lake and vermilion hue. I am using permanent rose, titanium white and scarlet lake. Prepare well for the color mix and using flat brush size 14 to make flowers wings. The needle is covered by wings. I am making flower buds in the top of the stem. Next, I am making the flowers wings to the realistic look. fourth step is my favorite hummingbird. Already I made the Lupine flowers and hummingbird's detailed pencil sketch. I uploaded the video in my channel. I give the link is in the description box. Please check it to do it. Needing colors are brilliant yellow green, violet yellow and titanium white for the bird. I am doing pencil sketch directly on my canvas board. You can work lightly, then you can erase your marker. I am using linear brush and picking some phthalo to make the outline of the hummingbird and making some dotted line to the hummingbird's head and somewhere of the hummingbird's body as I am doing. Last step is clouds and sun rays. I am using flat brush size 6 and picking some titanium white to make clouds. Next, rays. Using flat brush size 2 and picking some titanium white and add little bit of cobalt blue. Mix well for the rays as I am doing. Now the painting is ready. Use your imagination to achieve the picture you want. Enjoy your painting with patience. Need to keep on trying. I meet you in my next painting. I hope that you are enjoying this painting. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.